Today's power word for your resume is intelligent. What does it mean? How does it appear on your resume? How do you use it to make your resume powerful? Let's look at these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop, with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of resume vocabulary videos, we are going to look at power words that will make your resume stand out in the crowd. Remember, all power words are action words. They increase your chance of moving on to the next level in the hiring process. We are going to look at 4 things here: meaning, what the word really says and what you wish to say, how to make these power words work for you, how to use them practically. Be careful though, do not flood your resume with these power words. They will go wrong. Support your claims with your achievements. Intelligent means a person who can understand things quickly and has a good judgment. It doesn't need a lot of training to learn the job. And a person is logical and can reason things out easily. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the red subscribe button below. Don't forget the bell icon. Remember, when you're drafting your resume, you wish to look like somebody the interviewer would want to hire. You want to look professional, invaluable, dependable, and capable. At the same time, you do not want to hide your weaknesses to misguide the recruiter. Now let's see what this word really says. Intelligent is a rather commonly used term. Very generic, very non-specific. It can mean just about anything under the sun. On its own, therefore, it's just a laugh, a joke. And what you wish to say is that you're able to understand complicated things easily and can comprehend quickly. Therefore, you can save the company's money on training you. Now, how do you say this without using the hollow word like intelligent? You use action words like solved, rectified, corrected the course, resolved, and then you write about the project that you undertook because you noticed a weakness maybe. And then you say what you did and what the effect of your action was, and give the rupee value if possible. But be careful not to divulge any classified information. Let's look at how this would appear on your resume. The category of college students was untapped in the area, rectified this shortcoming, and planned and executed a sales campaign to attract these college students. Increased annual sales for the year by 32%. Now, note the use of the figures here, 32%. Specific information is college students' annual sales for the year. And what's the nature of the benefit accruing to the company? Increased sales. Now, these make the content objective. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.